Sally Cat Castle. Nice to see you again. And on today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing of the Chic Beauty Box. Yes. And as you all know, the Chic Beauty Box is a bi-monthly beauty box subscription for $34.99, and you get 5 to 6 full-size products worth over $100, which you can cancel anytime, or you can also do the trial box for $39.99. So without further ado, let's open this beauty. And here she is. Yeah, so excited for my first box. So before we do our unveiling of the products, let me just share to you what the company is. I always do that just so that we get to have an idea about what's behind the brand. So, launched by social worker Mercy Muhoza in 2019, Chic Beauty Box is a subscription box that carries full-size makeup products from your favorite brands. Yes, and they're also an all-inclusive brand with a sole mission: to create an equal opportunity for everyone to be able to afford and use quality beauty products. Yes! So without further ado, let's start with the first product. So as I see in here, they actually don't have a card that basically explains all the products, but you know what? It's okay. We're just gonna go along the way. Yeah, so the first product here is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my gosh, that's such a long name. So let's open this beauty. And here she is. Oh my gosh, love the packaging. And then definitely feels heavy, so it feels very luxurious. And look at her, she's so pretty. Now let me actually do some swatches just so that we get to see how this goes on. Yes. And here's our swatches. This is actually my very first Tarte eyeshadow palette, and I'm super excited because it glided on really well. It gave me that silky, powdery finish, and you can actually see that you can use the colors from day to night. So without further ado, let's put it on. So let's start with the Conch eyeshadow, which is this nude color right here. And I'm going to apply that right under my brows. Look at that! And then after that, let's put some highlight right on the inner corner of the eye. Let's actually use the gold color right here. And this is called Sunset. Let me put it on right here. I am actually really happy about that. Not a lot of shimmery eyeshadow, especially from other brands, you can apply with a brush. So I'm super happy that this glided on like a dream in a brush. So now let's proceed to our transitional color. And we're gonna do the next color right there, which is Marina, which is this color. And we're going to apply it right on the crease. And as you can actually see, I also brought it down towards the contour of the nose. Yes! And now let's smoke it out. Let's actually use the next color right here, which is Seaside, which is this color right here. Yes, look at that. It actually goes from lightest to darkest, so it actually gives you a very good guide. And then we're gonna extend that color right on the lower lash line as well. Look at that! And now going with a deeper color, which is Siren, the one right here. And then we're going to apply that right on the sides of the eye. And then we're gonna blend that with a blending brush, which is this. Look at that! And then also applying the same color, Siren, right on the bottom lash line. And then going back to the color Seaside to even further smoke it out. This one. And then after that, we're just gonna clean up the edges with the very first color, Couch, right here. And look at that! So happy with how it looks so far! And now the next product is, so what do you think of the eyeshadow so far? So far, I'm very happy, yes! Now the second product that I see in the box is, oh my gosh! There's false eyelashes! So we should try this. This is actually by Eyelure London Sarai Jones, and it's faux mink. Have you actually tried this brand? I haven't tried this before, but super excited. So let's put it on right now! Yes! And here she is! Yes, it's finally outside the box. Let's actually feel her. Wow, she's really soft. I think this is also my first time to try a foaming lash. So let's put it on! And here she is. Oh my gosh, I hope this one works because it has a very hard band. Oh my gosh, look at that! Oh my gosh, this is actually so pretty, super dramatic. But you know what? I'm not gonna complain. I mean, look how big my eyes are here compared to here. I mean, wow. Oh my gosh, Chic Beauty Box. I'm so happy so far. So you know what I'm gonna do? Let me just do this other side first of the eye, and then I'll be right back for us to continue the other products in here. Yes! And I'm back! I've never been so excited with my eye makeup. Oh my gosh, this beauty subscription so far with the eyeshadow palette as well as the faux mink eyelashes. I mean, how can you go wrong? So now let me just add a little bit of the highlight again, I know, before the next product, right under the bottom lash line. And now let's do that on the other side. Oh my gosh, so excited. So now let's see the next product in this box. So the next product in this box is, I actually see some lips, which is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Matte Liquid Color. Let's double check this. And I love Bare Minerals. Oh my gosh. How about you? Do you love Bare Minerals? Oh my gosh. And here she is. Now let's open her. Looks like a perfect color. Oh my gosh. That actually might appear too light on my lips. But we're gonna try it anyway. Yes. So let's put it on. Actually, this doesn't look good. I think I need to fix it. Let me just put some lip liner and blend this in because I'm looking scary right now. I'll be right back. Wait for me. And I'm back. All I did was I just applied a darker lip liner around the nude lip. Oh my gosh, finally I feel better. And that's the trick. So if it's too nude or too dull, just apply a darker lip liner on top of the nude lip and it should be fine. It should be okay. Yes, but it's still good. So now the next product here is the Milk Makeup Eye Vinyl. Yes, I've actually seen this a couple of years ago, that this actually can give that eye that wet, glossy look. So something that we need to look forward in the future. Oh my gosh, but excited for that as well. And then the next one here is the NYX Professional Makeup Voluptuous Mascara. I actually haven't tried NYX mascara, so let's see how this is gonna work. But let's look at the brush first. And here she is. You know what? Let's put some on right in her bottom lash line. Yes. It actually looks okay, but since I have very skinny, skimpy Asian lashes, and the brush of this is really big, it's quite hard putting it there. But you know what? At least we tried! Yeah, so let me just even out the other side. Lesson learned. Oh my gosh, if you actually have skimpy Asian lashes, lesson here is don't use a big brush. Use a tiny brush. But that's the good thing about these unboxings. You get to try different stuff. And I see one last product in here, which is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Chrome Paint Shadow Pot. Yes! And let's see this beauty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let's actually open this. I'm not sure if it looks like it's like a loose pigment. Look at that! Oh my gosh, I'm just so scared to put it on right now. But let's actually swatch it right on my hand because it looks really, really loose and pigmented. But here she is. Look at that! Super shiny! Yes! So next time we're gonna try that as well. So before I give you my final thoughts on everything, let me just finish my makeup because I need to put some bronzer, some blush, some highlight, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Wait for me! And I'm back. Thank you for waiting for me. And I just finished applying our blush, contour, and highlight. And I also brought her back. Yes. And now, time to do a run through with the products that we got. So, we got the Tarte eyeshadow palette. We also got the Eyeliner London Foaming Eyelashes. My first foaming. We also got our Bare Minerals Matte Liquid Lip Color. We also got the Milk Makeup Ivy Nail. We also got the NYX Mascara in Voluptuous. And we also got the Tarte Chrome Page Shadow Pot. Yes! So, what do you think? Do you think this is worth it for $34.99? If you ask me, I'm actually happy with the look that we achieved in these products. My favorites definitely are the eyeshadow palette, the false eyelashes, and believe it or not, I actually love the nude lip as well. Yes! So, what's my verdict for these products? It's a winner! Yes! So, thank you so much, Chic Beauty Box. So happy with my very first box. And again, this is Alicat Castle. If you find this video helpful, please support it by giving it a thumbs up. And if you're into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you again soon. And again, let's all remember to always be kind and to be a blessing to others by telling everyone how beautiful everyone is. And if I may tell you, you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup. And I love you!